Dear students, today we are doing about the surface area of cylinder. I am giving you the introduction how to find the surface area of a cylinder. We will learn about the volume to find the volume of cylinder also. To understand to find the area of cylinder, take a rectangular piece of paper just like this. This is the rectangular piece of paper. When we fold this rectangular piece of paper in the form of cylinder, when we fold, we will take this and we will fold it in this way. From here we will take and fold it in this way. Then we will get one circle on the bottom and one circle on the top. Now consider this is the circle on the bottom and this is the circle on the top when we fold this. Now you can see here that the breadth of this rectangular paper is height of this cylinder, and this length of this rectangular paper is circumference of this cylinder. Now see here, when we fold this rectangular paper in the form of cylinder, we get two circles, one on the base of the cylinder and one on top of the cylinder. Now circumference of these circles is equal to the length of rectangular paper and height of cylinder is equal to the breadth of the rectangular piece of paper. Now area of rectangle, you know, it is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Clearly, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length was the curved length into breadth. Length was the circumference of the circle and breadth was the height of the cylinder. Then it is clearly area of rectangle is equal to the curved surface area of cylinder, and rectangular area is equal to length into breadth, and curved surface area of cylinder is, we get from here, length is 2 pi r and breadth is height 2 pi r into h. When r is radius of the circle and r is the radius of the circle on bottom and top of the cylinder, and height of the cylinder is h. Then curved surfaces, CSA means curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH square units. Now we are to find the total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area, to find the total surface area of cylinder, one we will have the curved surface area of cylinder, one on the base will be the circle, and on the other base will also be a circle. Means to find the total surface area of cylinder, we will have curved surface area of cylinder plus area of circles on the top and bottom. Curved surface area that we have found out just now, it is 2 pi RH. We know that area of circle is given by pi r square on the bottom and pi r square on the top. Then 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square is the total surface area of cylinder. Now here, from here 2 pi r is common, and here we get h inside the bracket plus r. Then the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. TSA means for total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Surface area of cylinder without a lid. When there is no lid of a box that is in the cylindrical shape, then total surface area of that cylinder will be 2 pi RH, that is curved surface area, plus pi r square, that is the lower circle of the cylinder. From here pi r is common and we get 2h plus r inside the bracket. Then surface area of cylinder without a lid will be pi r into 2h plus r square units. Volume of cylinder, obviously I told you in the last topic also, when we are to find the volume of a three-dimensional figure, then it is equal to the area of the base multiplied by height. Here area of the base is area of the circle that is on the base, that is pi r square, and height is h. Therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now the next is surface area of hollow cylinder. Now we have a pipe and we are to find the surface area of hollow that pipe. Then we get the two surfaces, one inside of the pipe and one outside of the pipe, and here on the base we will get a ring, and on the top also we will get a ring, and this is the thickness of the pipe. In case of hollow cylinder, two surfaces are formed, one inner surface, other outer surface. Besides this, we get two rings also, one on the lower surface and other on the upper surface. R is the radius of the outer circle and small r is the radius of the inner circle. This is the outer circle and this is the inner circle. Capital R is the radius of the outer circle and small r is the radius of the inner circle. Capital R is the radius of this circle and small r is the radius of this circle. Then area of ring is given by area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, that we will get this area of the ring. Then area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of outer circle is pi r square, capital R we are using in it, and area of inner circle is pi small r square. Pi r square minus pi r square is the area of ring. Means we will subtract the area of smaller circle from the area of capital circle, and this will be the remaining area of the ring. Now pi is common from here. Pi into r square minus r square is the area of the ring. Now we have two rings of such type, one on the one on the top and other on the bottom. Now area of such two rings will be pi into r square minus r square plus pi into r square minus r square. Means we will get area of such two rings is equal to 2 pi into r square minus r square. Curved surface area of inner cylinder. This is the inner cylinder. The curved surface area of this inner cylinder will be 2 pi small r into height, and curved surface area of this is the outer cylinder. Curved surface area of this outer cylinder will be 2 pi capital R into h. Now total surface area of hollow cylinder is equal to 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi r square minus r square. 2 pi, from here you can see that 2 pi h is common, and we get here 2 pi h is common from these two terms, and we get 2 pi h into capital R plus small r, and from here we get plus 2 pi r square minus r square. Now 2 pi is common from these two terms, and here we get h into capital R plus small r plus capital R square minus small r square. Now this is the term, we can use the formula here, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now 2 pi is common, h into r plus r into r minus r. Now again from these two terms r plus r is common, and we get 2 pi into r plus r into h plus r minus r square units. This is the surface area of hollow cylinder.